Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. This is my Valentine's DIY table centerpiece. This is a recycled flowers filled into the crystal mug, and the mug is fixed with the flowers, which is from the magazine. And this is the base. This is a serving plate and decorated with artificial flower. Just put it like that and you will have an instant table centerpiece without any cost. Just recycle your old flowers. So I hope you like this instant table centerpiece for the Valentine's Day. This is a very simple project. Just recycle your old flowers and use any jar or mug to use as your this is it. Very simple, easy project. Valentine's table centerpiece. Thank you for watching and happy Valentine's to everyone. Look at this. This is just a simple mug. I filled it with flowers. And just put the flowers on the plate. And you will have an instant flower table centerpiece. Okay, so this is it. Very simple. Thank you for watching and happy Valentine's to everyone. Let's celebrate Valentine's, for it is a very special day. It's a love day. Just recycle your old flowers and rearrange into a jar, a cup, or any flower vase to look new and something beautiful for the Valentine's Day. That is a very easy, very simple DIY table centerpiece for your Valentine's Day. Dankeschön, maraming salamat at salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you to everyone for supporting always my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorial. Just give a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video. And of course, subscribe for my channel if you are new to my channel so that you'll be updated with my new videos.